Welcome everyone and thanks for joining me today. For this lesson we're drawing Dr. Doom from Avengers Doomsday. So we start along the top center of the page with the inside edge of the hood. So let's start right in the middle at the very top. So I'm going to bend this across and then bring that down towards the left. Go back up to the top, just going to round out that point, go out and then down towards the right, towards the same height. Now I want to go back up to the top and draw in the brow. We're going to start right in the middle, bend this down and out towards the left, go back up to the top, bend this down and out towards the right. Now from the left side, I'm going to curve this out and then up in behind the hood. Let's go back up to the top, draw a straight angle line, going up and then out on both sides. Now along the inside of the brow, I'm going to draw 3 rivets on each side. So one small circle on the inside, and then draw 2 more going out, right in the center of the brow. Let's move down, right in the center, add a curve going up and then down. And then in the middle, draw a straight line going down toward the tip of the nose. Let's go back up to the top. We're just going to angle the nose coming down and out, just a little bit higher than that center line. Angle this down and then in towards the middle. Now I want to tuck the eye holes underneath the brow. Let's start on the left side. We're going to curve this down and then bend that all the way up towards the top. Do the same thing on the right, coming down towards the same height and then bend that up. Let's add a thick edge along the inside from the top, then it's down and then in. And we'll fill the inside of the eyes in black. Now let's go back to the corner of the nose. We're going to draw the cheekbones. We're going to come down around the eye and then up in behind the hood. Underneath the cheeks, draw 2 straight lines coming down towards the chin. And we'll close out the bottom with another curve. Let's go back to the outside of the hood. We're just going to tuck this in behind the chin on both sides. Let's go back to the outside of the cheeks. Draw a straight line coming down to right about there. And we'll bend this down and then in towards the corner of the jaw. Let's fill the outside area of the hood in black. Now I'm going to place the mouth inside this area. I'm going to start with a curve across the top, coming down and up. Bend this out and then down towards the bottom. Now let's step down, add another curve, going up and then down. And we'll fill the inside of the mouth in black. Let's add the chin, starting on the left, curve this up and then down. Let's add one more detail across the jaw. From the left side, we're going to bend this in and then down. Let's go all the way back up to the top and draw the outside of the hood. We're going to start over on the left side. We're going to bend this up, go around, and then down towards the right. Go back to the left side. We go out and then down towards the bottom. Do the same thing on the right side. Now I want to bend this down and then in towards the center, just underneath the chin on the left side, and then on the right. Now just underneath the head on either side, we're going to draw 2 circles, one on the left, and then one on the right side. Let's trace these circles on the inside. Go in between the circles and add a curve, the center of the cape, and then on the sides we're going to add a fold coming down and in. Let's go to the outside, bend this out and then up, and then bend this up and in underneath the head. Let's add another fold on the outside of the circles. Let's go to the bottom of the circles. We're going to curve the body going out and then down towards the hips. Connect the hips with a curve coming down and up. Move up and draw that again for the top of the belt. Now in the center, we're going to leave a gap and draw 2 lines, one on the left and then one on the right of the buckle. And we'll trace the buckle along the inside. Now to go back up the top, leaving a gap, go to the left side, we're going to add a trim coming down and then out toward the left and right side. And then in behind, we're going to add one more curve. Now we're going to draw those splats coming down across the legs. Leaving a gap in the center, draw 2 straight lines, one on the left, one on the right. Come down and in toward the center point. Now let's go back to the hips. We're going to bend this out and then down toward the side. And then curve this in and then up toward the inside point. Let's leave a gap in the center. Go left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and down toward the left heel. Move over towards the right and do the same thing. And I'll curve the bottom of the feet. Let's start with the left side. Coming down and then up. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to curve the foot. Going up. Bend this down, aiming towards the heel. And we'll angle that back up and in. Now let's go back up to these 2 points, step in, draw the outside of the leg with a curve coming down towards the feet. And then in the center of the leg, we're going to add a seam, curving across. Let's go back down towards the bottom of the feet. We want to take this curve, step up and trace that across to add a thick sole. And we're going to add a toe cap, coming in and then down towards the center of the sole. Now I want to go back up to the top and draw in the arms. We're going to start along the side of the body. We're going to bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist on both sides. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb and then close off the end with a bracket. Now from the bottom of the thumb, we're going to add 3 fingers. We're going to start with the first one, curving this down and then up around that bracket. Step down, bend the second finger. And then the third finger, we're going to go all the way around the arm and up about halfway to right about there. And we're going to separate the glove coming in and then down. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now from this point, we're going to bend the cape going up and then in toward the side of the circle. And we'll wrap the cape around the arms. We're going to step down, bend this up, and then in to create a fold, step back and just tuck that in behind the shoulders. Let's do the same thing on the right. And now I want to bring the cape in behind the body, so we're just going to line this up underneath the hand, bend this down and then out on both sides. Close off the end with a curve going in behind the legs. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how to draw Dr. Doom from the Avengers Doomsday. Now if you're ready to level up your skills, you want to try a sketch version of this, check out our Excel sketch channel. I'm posting new lessons there every single week. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.